Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. My name is Nufara binti Azmi. My matrix number is 086609. So shall be conducting for the introduction part for our presentation report. So in nowadays, most of the information system plays a very crucial role, especially in business, for their data store, for their requiring all the clients needed. So in this report, we will focus solely on the veterinary system, which require effectiveness to manage patient data and records, appointment, treatment, and client information to provide a reliable healthcare to animals. We have two type of approach, which is one is traditional and one is modern approach. On this project we solely focus on the modern approach. So in modern approach is actually was known for SDLC, system development life cycle. So in SDLC we have these four phases: planning, planning, analysis, design, and implementation. So firstly we start with our planning. So planning is actually we done by conducting a Google form, contacting some of the veterinary clinics to get some data for our project. Analysis, we analyze after we get all the information and the client needed. We're going to analyze what are the things that really need to be put in our system. Design, we start by using use case diagram, sequence diagram, and class diagram to see how the sequences and does it really fulfill the client needed and the client requirements. Lastly, the implementation, we did the code based on what have we researched and get. So therefore, by using this SDLC approach, the system will be more organized, reduce risk, and ensuring the clarification client clearly met and identified. In this system, like I said, modern approach, we focus on object-oriented approach that we use class diagram, use case, and sequence for our agile methodology in our system. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Ramawati Apandi. My matric number is 087291. For my part, I will present about second phase in SDLC, which is analysis. So in this analysis, we got requirement analysis. So requirement is analysis in this process of identifying user needs and system functionality by working closely with developers and stakeholders. In the pet care system, this phase focus on the understanding the challenge faced by pet owners, veterinarians, and pet care admin in the managing pet health record appointments and daily care activities. The system requirement both functional and non-functional requirement. Functional requirement will describe what the system should do. So the pet care system will allow administrators to manage pet information through detailed pet profile. This profile include the pet's name, age, type of animal, and health background. The system will also enable administrators to schedule veterinary appointments. In addition, the system should allow administrators to generate reports and display complete pet health records, grow pattern, and record activities. To ensure security, the system must provide secure login functionality with access control to differentiate between pet owners, veterinarians, and staff members. So, non-functional requirements describe how the system should perform. The pet care must be available at all times so user can access in day and night. It must protect all user and pet data from unauthorized access. The system should have an intuitive and user-friendly interface with clear menus and simple guidance. Additionally, the system must operate at high speed even many user access in at the same time. So the requirements are collected using several methods. So the research team is conduct survey with veterinarians and administrators to understand their needs and challenges. So this is our feedback from the survey.
Thank you, Amalina, for the demonstration earlier. These slides show the class diagram for the pet care system, which explains how all the main parts of the system are connected. The admin manages the system and is linked the multiple pet owners where each owner can have one or more pets with their own detail. These pets receive treatments that record important information such as the medicine given, the disease diagnosed, and the date of the admission. The veterinarian is responsible for handling this treatment, which helps create a clear and organized link between the administrative staff, pet owners, animals, and medical professionals.
Thank you, Yugal, for the explanation. Next, I will explain about the use case diagram and the sequence diagram. The sequence diagram, we have identified the primary actors, which is the owner, the veterinarian, and the admin. For the picture, you can see for the owner, we have differentiated between new owner and all owners. And new owners start by registering, which extend into managing their pet profile. Once the system, they can book and make appointments, which an operation to update the pet information during the process. Finally, they can handle the payment. Next, on the picture, you have the veterinarian, which is responsible for the recording availability, while the admin is focused on the producing schedule information. Finally, on the diagram, we have the both of these actions include the managed schedule, which is the heart of the system coordination, ensuring that no double bookings occur and that the clinic runs out time. Next, I will explain about the sequence diagram. I will explain how the sequence diagram works. First, we have the discovery phase. It begin. The owner use Google to find the nearest center and compare the prices before the event entering our system. Next, we have the check-in process, which is once they arrive, the admin handles the registration. The system automatically performs an availability check to confirm the booking. Next, the consultation. This is where the core service happen and the veterinarian conduct the exam. The logs the pet sickness and treatment details directly to the system. Finally, the discharge, which the system pulls all the data, including the medicine listed and the treatment given, to calculate the total bill of the treatment, so the owner can make the payment to the admin and completing the process efficiently. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Amira Safa binti Muhammad Fadilah, matric number 087344. Okay. Today I'm going to talk about veterinary system. The veterinary system is developed using the Java programming language to help manage customer information in a veterinary clinic. The system begins by asking the user to enter the number of customers to be served. It then records important details such as owner's pet, pet names, and types of pet, and contact number using arrays to ensure the data is well organized. Next, the system checks whether the veterinarian is available. If the doctor is available, the customer pets will proceed the consultation session. During the consultation, the system records the pet illness, the treatment provider, and the medicine prescribed. If no treatment required, the system will indicate no treatment is given. After the consultation, the system calculates the total cost of treatment and medicine. Each treatment costs RM50 and the medicine price are entered by the user. The system automatically calculates the total payment based on these values. Finally, the system displays a receipt that includes the pet's detail, owner information, treatment, medicine, and the total amount to be paid. If doctor is not available, the system informs the customer to wait until the veterinarian is free. Overall, the system make the management of customer and payment in the veterinary clinic is more systematic and efficient. That's all for me.